Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by linking your Google Ads account to your YouTube channel because that connection unlocks targeting and analytics. Once linked, create a new campaign and pick a goal: awareness, leads, or sales, so bids and settings align with objectives. Next, set a daily or total budget and define schedule, locations, and languages. This ensures your ad only serves where and when you want. Make sure billing is active, then move to choosing ad formats. Now choose the ad format that fits your creative. Skippable for reach, non-skippable or bumper for guaranteed views, or discovery for thumbnail-driven clicks. Once chosen, build precise targeting, demographics, interests, custom intent audiences, and placement exclusions to reach the right viewers. Then set your bidding strategy: CPV for view-based, CPM for impressions, or target CPA for conversions. Adjust bids based on expected value. After that, upload creative and add final URLs, tracking, and UTM parameters. Before you hit launch, preview ads in platform and run the built-in policy checks because disapproved creatives stop delivery. Once live, monitor views, CTR, conversions, and cost per result daily and make incremental bid or audience tweaks. If performance or delivery stalls, troubleshoot. Confirm policy compliance, verify billing, inspect targeting conflicts, and test tracking pixels and UTM links. These are common blockers. Finally, iterate creative and bids until you hit target metrics and scale what works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.